Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of ERD's repairs. This is a Mitutoyo digital readout for a multi-axis linear scale measurement system. For the most part, these units are used in machine tools to help as control interfaces for the precise measurements needed in metal work. In our test video, we are checking both the DRO and its accompanying AC adapter for power on, their keypads work as intended, and both properly interface with each other. We did not have the encoder used with this system, so out of convenience we try not to mess with any custom parameters when assessing our repairs. ERD has worked on many of these units and continues to refine our repair procedures, all for our customers' convenience. So call today for your quote.